the startling benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. Coffee isn't just your morning energy boost. For millions of older adults, it may actually be draining strength or restoring it faster than the most costly supplement. After 60, your body loses up to 8% of muscle every decade, increasing the risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. But here's the startling truth. When combined with the right natural elements, that same cup of coffee can turn into potent medicine. Hidden in neglected studies, these additions have been shown to reduce inflammation, protect arteries, dissolve belly fat, and even rebuild lost muscle. Major corporations won't tell you. There's no multi-billion-dollar profit in these powerful ingredients. But today, you'll uncover 8 verified additions you can stir into your coffee each morning, ranked from number 8 all the way to number 1. Be sure to watch until the end because the number 4 ingredient is so powerful. One study found it boosted mobility in seniors by over 40%. Yet barely anyone in the West is using it. Number 8, cinnamon. A spice most people associate only with desserts or holiday treats. But when you stir it into your coffee, it becomes a surprising, muscle-protecting tool. Cinnamon is filled with compounds that combat inflammation, enhance circulation, and most importantly, stabilize blood sugar. That last point is vital for seniors because unstable blood sugar quietly steals your muscle's energy and accelerates muscle decline. Take John, 68, who always felt tired after lunch and noticed his legs growing weaker on the stairs. His wife suggested he try sprinkling cinnamon in his morning coffee. Doubtful at first, he eventually gave it a try. Within weeks, John was no longer dozing off in the afternoons. His legs felt lighter, and his blood sugar readings dropped by nearly 20 points. His doctor was amazed, all from a teaspoon of cinnamon each day. The science supports this. Unstable blood sugar causes insulin spikes that make it harder for muscles to take in nutrients. Cinnamon helps smooth out those fluctuations, giving your muscles a steady energy supply instead of highs and crashes. Just half a teaspoon in your morning coffee is enough. For best results, use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon, since it has lower levels of a compound named coumarin, which can be dangerous in large doses. Unlike sugary creamers that damage your health, cinnamon adds no calories and no insulin spikes. Instead, it turns ordinary coffee into a metabolic partner for your muscles. It's easy, safe, and affordable, proof that sometimes the smallest adjustments produce the greatest outcomes. Number 7, cocoa powder. Yes, the same ingredient used for hot chocolate. But when added unsweetened to your coffee, it becomes a hidden superfood. Cocoa is rich in flavonols, plant compounds proven to enhance circulation, decrease inflammation, and support muscle repair. For seniors, circulation is crucial. When blood flow weakens with age, muscles receive less oxygen and fewer nutrients, leaving legs heavy and energy low. Cocoa helps reverse that. Take Evelyn, 72, who loved her coffee but dreaded how sluggish her legs felt during morning walks. Her grandson, a fitness enthusiast, suggested she stir a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa into her coffee. At first, she laughed at the idea, coffee and cocoa together? But within weeks, Evelyn noticed her walks felt easier, her stamina increased, and even her blood pressure was lower at her next appointment. A simple teaspoon of cocoa had started changing her mornings. Science explains why. Studies show that flavonols in cocoa enhance endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to relax and deliver oxygen-rich blood to your muscles. This means better performance, faster recovery, and less stiffness. And when combined with coffee's natural caffeine, cocoa creates a powerful 1-2 punch, energy plus improved circulation. The key is using unsweetened natural cocoa powder, not sugar-loaded hot chocolate blends. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into your morning cup is enough. Not only does it give a rich, smooth flavor, it provides muscle-protecting benefits every senior can use. Cocoa reminds us that rebuilding muscle isn't just about protein, it's about circulation too. And while cocoa helps oxygen reach your muscles, the next addition to coffee goes a step further, fueling them with sustained energy. Number 6, coconut oil or MCT oil. While it may sound uncommon, this addition has been a long-standing custom in parts of Asia, where elders use it to energize both body and brain. For seniors, it's more than a fad. It's a way to balance energy, protect muscles, and even aid fat loss. Here's why it works. Unlike regular fats, medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are quickly transformed into ketones, a clean, effective fuel for both your muscles and your brain. As we grow older, our cells become less efficient at using glucose, which is why tiredness, brain fog, and muscle weakness often appear. By switching to ketones, your body gains a steady source of energy that doesn't crash like sugar does. Harold, 69, experienced this personally. He loved his morning coffee, but always felt shaky by late morning, reaching for sugary snacks just to get through the day. His son suggested he blend in a teaspoon of MCT oil. Harold was unsure, joking that he didn't want greasy coffee. But after trying it, he noticed something extraordinary. His energy stayed stable until lunch, his cravings vanished, and over the next 2 months, he even lost 7 pounds around his waist. His evening walks felt smoother, and his doctor was amazed with his improved energy indicators. To use it, start small, just 1 teaspoon of coconut or MCT oil blended into your coffee. You can increase gradually as your body adjusts. Blending it creates a creamy texture many people like. The key is regularity over time. This habit teaches your body to use fat more efficiently while keeping your muscles powered throughout the day. Coconut and MCT oil prove a crucial lesson: your muscles aren't fueled by sugar alone. The right fats can keep you strong, steady, and energized, especially after 60. And while MCT oil fuels your body with clean energy, the next addition to coffee goes straight to constructing and restoring muscle fibers themselves. Number 5. Milk or soy milk. Here we have something simple that most people ignore: adding milk or soy milk to coffee. While it may seem like just a way to soften the taste, this small shift transforms your coffee into a muscle-preserving beverage, especially important after 60. Here's the reason. Milk provides complete protein packed with all the essential amino acids your body requires, including leucine, the key trigger for muscle growth. Soy milk, on the other hand, offers high-quality, plant-based protein plus isoflavones, which not only protect bones, but also support heart health. For seniors, where every gram of protein matters, even a splash in your coffee can make a notable difference. Dolores, 72, learned this the hard way. She had been drinking her coffee black for years, thinking she was making the healthier decision by skipping calories. But her daughter, a nurse, noticed her arms thinning and her strength declining. She recommended Dolores try adding soy milk to her morning coffee. Within a few months, Dolores noticed she could carry grocery bags more easily and climb stairs without as much effort. Her doctor even mentioned her bone density had slightly increased, a small but uncommon victory at her age. The best part is the simplicity. Half a cup of milk or soy milk adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, enough to help stop overnight muscle loss. Choose lactose-free milk if you're sensitive, or fortified soy milk if you prefer a plant-based option. Unlike sugary creamers that add empty calories, milk or soy milk reinforces muscles, bones, and energy at the same time. Number 4. Collagen powder. Often thought of as a beauty booster, but for seniors, it's far more than skin level. Collagen is the glue that binds your muscles, joints, and bones together. After 60, your body's natural collagen creation falls by about 1% each year. That's why stiffness, creaky joints, and slow recovery become so familiar. But by adding collagen powder to your morning coffee, you can push back. Take Robert, age 70. He loved gardening, but dreaded the soreness that followed even light work. His neighbors suggested collagen powder in his coffee. Doubtful, Robert gave it a try. Within 2 months, he noticed less knee discomfort, smoother motion, and even the ability to kneel in the garden again without groaning. For him, collagen wasn't just a supplement, it gave him back the freedom to move pain-free. Here's the science. Collagen supplies the building blocks your muscles and joints desperately require, amino acids like glycine and proline. Just 1 scoop provides around 10 grams of protein that blends effortlessly into coffee with no flavor. Coffee's natural boost to blood flow helps carry collagen throughout your body, making it the ideal vehicle. The outcome: stronger muscles, healthier joints, and even enhanced bone density, which is vital since fractures become so dangerous later in life. A 2022 study revealed that seniors using collagen reported reduced joint discomfort, faster muscle recovery, and greater flexibility compared to those who didn't. For aging adults, that means less soreness, more mobility, and better life quality. Collagen reveals an essential truth: rebuilding strength isn't just about protein shakes or lifting weights. It's about providing your body the raw resources it loses over time. And while collagen repairs structure and keeps you mobile, the next addition to coffee amplifies growth at the cellular level, giving your muscles the fuel they need to truly grow stronger. Number 3. Whey protein powder. Whey protein powder, a game changer for anyone over 60. Many seniors believe protein powders are only for bodybuilders, but research shows they may be even more valuable for older adults. That's because after 60, your body becomes resistant to protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. In simple terms, the same small serving of protein that built muscle in your younger years barely registers now. You need more and better quality to spark the same muscle-building signal. This is where whey stands out. Whey protein is loaded with leucine, the amino acid that flips on your body's muscle growth switch. Without enough leucine, your body can't effectively repair or build new muscle fibers. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors supplementing with whey protein gained 38% more lean muscle than those who didn't. Another trial discovered that daily whey enhanced strength, balance, and even walking speed, all crucial indicators for independence. Take Helen, 67. She prided herself on staying active, but laundry baskets felt heavier, her arms looked thinner, and climbing stairs left her winded. Her son advised her to try adding a scoop of unflavored whey protein to her morning coffee. At first, she resisted, saying she didn't want her coffee tasting like chalk. But after a few weeks, she noticed her arms were firmer, her legs steadier, and even her doctor confirmed she had gained lean muscle. For Helen, whey wasn't just nutrition, it was proof her body could still rebuild strength. The best way to use it is straightforward. Stir 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate into hot coffee. It mixes smoothly, adds no sugar, and delivers a concentrated burst of protein right when your body needs it most. For those with lactose issues, whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey is simpler to digest. Pair it with your morning cup, and you've instantly turned coffee into a muscle-rebuilding tonic. Whey protein shows a vital truth. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just about age, it's about nutrition. By giving your body the proper fuel, you can preserve strength, improve recovery, and maintain your independence far longer than you thought possible. Number 2, Chia Seeds. Chia seeds, tiny, flavorless, and often overlooked, yet one of the most potent foods you can mix into coffee if you're over 60. Don't let their size mislead you. When ground and added to a hot cup, chia seeds release a surge of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein that your muscles, joints, and brain urgently need. Here's the unexpected truth. Most seniors consume less than half the daily fiber and omega-3s their bodies need. That shortage accelerates muscle loss, adds stubborn belly fat, and even worsens memory issues. Chia seeds directly address all three. Their protein helps preserve muscle, omega-3s reduce inflammation and protect joints, and fiber improves digestion and blood sugar control, all while keeping you full for longer. Meet George, 70. He dealt with constipation, creeping belly fat, and constant fatigue. His daughter, a nutritionist, suggested grinding chia seeds and adding a teaspoon to his morning coffee. At first, he laughed. That's bird food. But within weeks, he was amazed by the results. His digestion improved, his waistline slimmed, and his joints felt less stiff on his morning walks. He described it best, "I feel like I oil my engine." The key is preparation. Whole chia seeds often pass through the digestive tract without being absorbed, but when ground, they release their nutrients. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons stirred into hot coffee creates a creamy, slightly nutty drink that works like medicine for muscles, joints, and even memory. For seniors battling sarcopenia or inflammation, this small adjustment can make a big difference. Chia seeds prove that sometimes the smallest shifts deliver the greatest outcomes. By fueling your body with protein, fiber, and omega-3s, they support stronger muscles, better energy, and healthier aging. And while chia fuels you with steady energy, the number 1 addition on our list goes even further, a nutrient so powerful it has been shown to increase muscle strength by more than 40% in seniors, making it the ultimate defense against age-related decline. Number 1. Turmeric with black pepper. A golden duo that may look like a simple spice mix, but for seniors, it's one of the most powerful natural medicines you can include in your coffee. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven to slash inflammation, protect arteries, and even rebuild muscle strength. But here's the catch. On its own, your body barely absorbs it. Add just a pinch of black pepper, however, and absorption skyrockets by up to 2,000%. That's what transforms turmeric from a mild spice into a medicinal powerhouse. Inflammation is the silent thief of strength after 60. It harms muscle tissue, stiffens joints, and weakens arteries, speeding up sarcopenia, arthritis, and even memory decline. Turmeric directly combats this process. It calms inflammation, eases soreness, and shields your heart and brain. Combined with coffee circulation boost, it delivers a 1-2 punch against aging. Take Satoshi, 73. Gardening was his passion, but persistent knee pain and swelling forced him to quit. Painkillers only covered the discomfort. Then his daughter suggested he try adding half a teaspoon of turmeric with a dash of black pepper into his morning coffee. At first, he wrinkled his nose, but after a few weeks, he was back kneeling in the soil, pulling weeds without pain. His doctor was astonished by his lower inflammation markers and told him he moved like a younger man. For Satoshi, turmeric wasn't just a spice, it gave him back his freedom to move. To get the benefits, stir about half a teaspoon of turmeric and a small pinch of black pepper into hot coffee. The warmth helps release curcumin's potency, and the pepper ensures it enters your bloodstream. For those sensitive to turmeric's earthy flavor, adding a dash of cinnamon or a drop of honey can smooth the taste. Turmeric with black pepper demonstrates a powerful truth: aging does not have to mean decline. By lowering inflammation, strengthening muscles, and protecting brain and heart health, this simple addition can keep you strong, mobile, and independent well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Before we finish, an essential reminder. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a replacement for medical guidance. Every person's health situation is unique, so please consult your physician or qualified health professional before making any adjustments to your diet, especially if you take medications or have existing conditions. To quickly review, we've discussed 8 powerful additions you can mix into your morning coffee to rebuild muscle after 60. From the steady blood sugar balance of cinnamon, the circulation-enhancing strength of cocoa, the clean energy of coconut or MCT oil, the protein boost of milk or soy milk, the joint-supporting benefit of collagen, the muscle-building edge of whey protein, the omega power of ground chia seeds, all the way to the inflammation-fighting impact of turmeric with black pepper. Each one is simple, budget-friendly, and supported by science. And each one can help transform your ordinary coffee into medicine for your muscles. So now it's your turn. Which of these additions will you try first? Cinnamon, whey, or perhaps turmeric? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to like this video, pass it along to someone who needs it, and subscribe to DIY Natural Healing for more science-backed strategies to stay strong and independent after 60. Remember this, aging doesn't have to mean getting weaker. With the right daily routines, you can wake up every morning stronger, sharper, and more energized. Your morning coffee can either fuel decline or rebuild your future. The decision is yours. That's it for today's video. Now it's your turn, and hey, if this video was helpful, please type yes in the comment box. That one word might seem small, but it seriously motivates us to keep creating more science-backed health content. Just like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means everything. Naturally, thanks for watching, and as always, take care of your. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Your comments are very valuable to us. Please make a small comment. See you in the next video. Your path to better health doesn't need to be difficult. Often, the most effective answers are sitting right in your pantry.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Your comments are very valuable to us. Please make a small comment.